So in this session, we will solve the numerical problem. See, this numerical problem is from transient conduction. The steel balls 12 mm in diameter are annealed by heating to 1150 Kelvin. So 1100 Kelvin, 1150 Kelvin temperature in the rapid, then slowly cooling to 400 K in an environment. Environment temperature so that environment temperature is actually that fluid temperature, surrounding temperature, T infinity, which is a constant. So 1150 Kelvin, annealing in steel balls in the temperature, that is the initial temperature. That's slow cooling in to up to 400 Kelvin. Estimate the time required for the cooling process. Then properties of that steel ball, the convective heat transfer coefficient 20 watt per meter square Kelvin, that is also given. This is from KTU examination April 2018. So one case diameter of the steel ball, steel body steel ball, and diameter is just 12 mm, so 1.2 centimeter. Thermal conductivity is reasonably good. Steel so D is equal to 12 mm only. Okay, we will convert that into meters. So divide by 1000, 0.012 meter. So radius is required actually, because we will convert that. So radius diameter by 2, so that is 0.6 mm, 0.006 meter. Okay. And then steel ball thermal conductivity K is equal to this 40 watt per meter Kelvin, 40 watt per meter Kelvin. Then density of the material, steel, density of steel, you can take 7800 kilogram per meter cube, that is given. This is a direct substitution problem. Specific heat capacity of steel, so Cp, that is equal to 600 joule per kilogram Kelvin or kilogram degree Celsius. Then both are the same, 600. Then the temperatures and all we have. Convective heat transfer coefficient, that is not the property of the material. So the convective heat transfer coefficient H, you can take 20 watt per meter square Kelvin, 20 watt per meter square Kelvin or degree Celsius you can write. So H. Then the temperatures. So what is the temperature of the steel ball? So T I initial, when time is equal to 0. So time 0 initial temperature. So that is 1150. It is given in Kelvin. You don't require any conversion now. Ti. Then other 400 Kelvin leke maaranalla slow cooling ilude 400 Kelvin leke maaranalla time aanu kandupidikkendathu. So that T after the time T. So this is T when time is equal to small t. So that is 400 K. So itre aagan edukkunna aa samayam small t, that you need to find out. Then what else is to be used? So we have written everything I think, and except one, that is T infinity, the temperature of the environment for which the temperature is 325. It's a constant, it won't change. Adu change avilla, 325 Kelvin. Okay, so we have written these values and all. So as I told you in the last class, first in this kind of problem, we will first calculate Biot number. So Biot number, and then we will decide. Looking at the dimensions, we have reasonable chance to get lumped system heat transfer, because this is a diameter thermal conductivity is reasonably high. So by thermal heat transfer coefficient, convective heat transfer coefficient valare valudalla. So Biot number, we'll write Bi, that is equal to HLC characteristic length divided by thermal conductivity of solid. It's not thermal conductivity of fluid. In Nusselt number same HL by K K is the thermal conductivity of the fluid. This is thermal conductivity of the solid steel here. So HLC by K. And what is LC here in this case? L's characteristic length is volume of the body divided by area of the body. So volume of steel ball, so it is a sphere. So sphere, what is the So it is spherical shape. So what is the volume? It is 4 by 3 in terms of radius. We'll write pi r cube divided by what is the area? Area is 4 pi r square sphere. Okay, so 4 and 4 cancel, pi will be cancelled, r square, r cube, then 1 r will remain, this 3 also will remain. So what you get is, for a sphere, hereafter you can keep in mind V by A for the sphere is r by 3, radius by 3. So in our case, this LC, what is LC? LC is equal to what is radius? 0.006, 6 mm. So 0.006 divided by 3, that is 0.002. 6 mm, now 2 mm or 0.002 meter. So characteristic length we got. And now we calculate Biot number. So Biot number, how much it is? HLC by K. What is H? H is equal to 20. Then LC is 0.002 divided by K. What is K? K is equal to, this one is 20 into 0.002 by K, that is 40. So what you get is small actually, 0.001. No units, it is dimensionless. So BI, so yeah, what we are getting is BI is equal to 0.001. So since അടുത്ത നമ്മുടെ important point ഇതാണ്, അടുത്ത മാർക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നതിനുള്ള സ്കീമിലെ point ഇതാണ്, BI is less than 0.1. 0.1, temperature is a function of T only, and then system is lumped. So lumped system. So the system is lumped. Therefore system is lumped. Since BI, a very valid important point for our problem. So what next now? The next point is, so we take that non-dimensional, the expression for lumped system heat transfer now. So for the lumped system heat transfer, we find the expression. So what is that? Temperature is let me write it once again. Temperature is a function of time only. And here we write the ratio is, what is that? T minus T infinity divided by Ti minus T infinity is equal to e raised to minus T divided by what we have written the other day, tau. So tau is the time constant. Minus sign is over here. So this all we will substitute now. What is the temperature? Temperature after time T. So we have written 400 Kelvin. So this is 400 minus that, what is T infinity? T infinity is 325 divided by T initial temperature of the steel ball, that is 1150 minus T infinity 325. So we'll get a ratio, and that is equal to e raised to minus, so you'll get a number over here, that is e raised to minus T divided by tau. Otherwise, what is this tau? Tau is equal to rho v Cp by HA. It taken the reciprocal of the other quantity, because this is the unit and the second. Unit is second, rho v Cp by HA. So just substitute the value of tau and all. So here you will get H is, rho is given 7800, volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. B by A ratio നമുക്ക് അറിയാം, അതുകൊണ്ട് r by 3 അവിടെ ഇട്ട് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി. B by A ക്ക് പകരം r by 3, അതായത് 0.002 ഇട്ടാൽ മതിയാവും. B by A, then H is 420, then Cp is 600, Cp is 600, and all these. I think tau is around, so please check this. I'll give an answer now. So tau is equal to around 468. What is that? Second. That is called what? Time constant. This left hand side you work out. Left hand side 400 minus what is that? 325 divided by 1150 minus 325, and then that is equal to e raised to this. So you take anti-log. So taking anti-log, what do you do? ഇതിന്റെ നാച്ചുറൽ ലോഗരിതം എടുക്കണം. നാച്ചുറൽ ലോഗരിതം ഇതൊരു പ്രോപ്പർ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആണ്, ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ചെറുതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ln, അപ്പൊ ലെഫ്റ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് സൈഡില് ln, then ഇതെല്ലാം കൂടെ നമ്മൾ വർക്ക്ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഈ ln ഇത് വർക്ക്ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഐ തിങ്ക് യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് അറൌണ്ട് 1/11. സോ ഇതിന്റെ ആന്റിലോഗ് എടുക്കുകയാണ് ഞാൻ. ln 11 is equal to now minus t by tau. ആന്റിലോഗ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത് minus t by tau. അപ്പോൾ tau 468 ഉണ്ട്. So minus ln 1/11 is also negative. So you will get what is t. So t is around, please verify the answer by yourself, 1122.2 seconds something, and convert it into minutes by 60. So you'll get 18.7 minutes, 18.7 minutes or 1122.2 seconds. So this is the answer for you. So 1150 Kelvin in 400 Kelvin temperature like slow cooling in ഈ സ്റ്റീൽ ബോൾ, ഈ ഡയമെൻഷനും പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഒക്കെ ഉള്ള സ്റ്റീൽ ബോൾ കൊണ്ടുവരുമ്പോൾ എൻവയൺമെന്റ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ 325 ആണെങ്കിൽ അത്രയും ടെമ്പറേച്ചറിൽ 1150 400 കെൽവിൻ ആകാൻ എടുക്കുന്ന സമയം ഏതാണ്ട് 18 നിയർലി 19 മിനിറ്റ്സ് എടുക്കുമെന്നാണ് ഈ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിന്റെ മീനിങ്. So please do it, and it's a 10-mark question. It's very simple to answer. It's a question of substitution only. See, please practice it, check, verify your answer, and let me know your response. Thank you.